Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you step by step on how to unmute a status update on WhatsApp in its latest version. If you've muted someone's status and want to start seeing their updates again, don't worry, it's incredibly simple. Let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, navigate to the Status tab. Depending on your device, this might be located at the top or bottom of your screen. Once you're there, scroll down gently until you see the section labeled Muted. This is where all the status updates from contacts you've muted are stored. Now, find the contact whose status you'd like to unmute. Take your time scrolling through the list if needed. Once you've located their name or status update, press and hold it. This is an important step. Just a quick tap won't work here. After holding down on the status update for a moment, a menu will pop up with an option that says Unmute. Simply tap on that, and voila! The contact's status updates will now appear in your main status feed alongside all other updates. And that's it. You've successfully unmuted a status update on WhatsApp. It's a quick and easy process that ensures you stay connected with the updates you care about. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to share it with friends who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.